Hello guys, this is ANASTASIA and I'm hunting for houses again. This is the house that we're gonna see today. As always, I'm gonna show you neighborhood. I'm not really familiar with this street, but it doesn't look bad to me. What do you think? And this house, I believe this driveway belongs to the house. Let's see what we have outside. Looks like it's a lot of work need to be done here. I'm not sure why they price it so high or what's going on with market in Cincinnati. It has a big backyard and driveway that need to be really fixed. Let's see. What we have here. Okay, this is basement probably. It looks like a big house. They advertise it's 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, which I don't think it's 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Let's go inside and see. Oh, this deck is gone. He probably need to build a new one. I'm just looking for foundation problems because right now we are dealing with one foundation problem and it's a headache. So let's go inside, and as usually I'm gonna show you information for a house and price for it and by the end of the video, so please stick with me. Okay, this is porch, which is nice, and it's pretty busy street, I would say. Let's go in. Wow, that's complete rehab. I don't know why they're asking so much for it. Wow. I'm really not sure what's going on with the market, because they're asking a lot of money for this house. Looking at the conditions that we have right here. Wow. All electrical gone. I'm not sure what's happened here. So I believe this was a kitchen. And look at all this electrical. It's all cut. And you need all drywall on the ceilings. Okay. Probably I will not go to the basement because it's dark. Ooh. But this is a bathroom, I think. Okay, basement, we're not going there. So it's living room right here, and let's go to the second floor. Let's see what's going on there. God. And we're not gonna go to the second floor. Wow, that's really strange. You see, this I'm not gonna go in, and that's all what we have on the second floor. It's just 2 rooms. Okay, they're completely out of their mind. They want 70,000 for this house. Good luck. I don't know about you, I would not offer even 10. Okay, that was a very short video, I would say. If you like it, leave your opinion in the comment section. Thank you.